I think, for me, opinion ko, in order to make the league strong and balanced, dapat ma-figure out natin kung paano ibabalance lahat ng teams. Kasi hindi naman bago sa lahat na ang malakas lang is 2-3 eh. Kasi nakukuha nila yung mga malakas na players ng iba. I don't know why. I'm sure hindi naman bago yung sinatawag ng mga farm teams. Pero kung malilimit nila yon and lalakas din yung ibang teams, I think mas lalakas yung viewership. Kasi alam naman natin yung mga nanonood ng basketball, they want competition. They want alam mo yung pair, alam mo yung hindi mo malalaman kung sino yung mananalo. Kasi pag nanonood ka ng basketball, pag alam mo mananalo, hindi mo na tatapusin eh, alis ka na eh. So mas interesting manood ng basketball if you don't know who's gonna win. Sa factor ngayon ng PBA, may mga teams talaga kasi na pag inilaban mo sa Ginebra, yung mahinang team, tapos Ginebra kalaban, alam mo ni, bakit ka manonood? So hindi na intense. Kaya hopefully mabalance natin. I know yung mga bosses natin sa PBA, sila Commissioner Willie, sila Boss Al, they are doing their best to do this. I'm sure mapipigure out nila yan dahil again, 50 years na nandiyan yung PBA, they all know what they're doing. Tama?
Yeah, tama. I agree with Rico, but also I think we have to find a way to be able to keep our superstars here sa Pilipinas. A lot of our superstars are going sa Japan League, Korean leagues. I think that hurts the PBA. So we have to find a way to keep them here. Again, trabaho nila commissioner yan to figure out a way to make that happen. So I think if you address those two things, that'll be the right path in allowing the PBA to reach another 50 years.